What is perpetual futures on CoinW? CoinW Perpetual Futures is also known as Perpetual Swap, is a cryptocurrency derivative product. A perpetual contract is a special type of futures contract, but unlike the traditional form of futures, it doesn't have an expiry date, so one can hold a position for as long as they'd like. The traditional spot market is referred to as the cash market because of the way payments are immediately processed. In other words, the contract between the buyer and seller will be performed on the spot at the prevailing price with a determined quantity. Unlike the spot market, you're trading contracts in the future market without actually owning an underlying asset. In other words, you are betting on the price movement of the asset that is parallel to the value of the contract without owning the asset. When you use leverage on a future contract, you don't need to pay the full amount of the contract. You can enter a specific percentage of the contract's total value, which is known as the initial margin amount. Initial margin is the amount of collateral required to open a position for leverage trading. What are the advantages of the perpetual futures trading? First, you can trade both directions. When expecting an adverse price movement, you can enter short positions and take advantage of the downward movement. This case would not be possible if one could just buy and sell spot positions alone. Second, using leverage. You can enter positions that are larger than their account balance by the use of leverage and take advantage of the amplified gain. Third, controlled risk with unlimited gains. You can hedge against risk and gain more through leverage. Your downside risk is limited to your initial margin, but your upside risk gain is unlimited as well. But please also be mindful, even though futures are highly profitable due to the high leverage provided, the losses can be equally substantial. So using the right risk management techniques such as stop losses are important. Enjoy your trading at CoinW.